Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen once again with Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Special guest, Julie Bisbee from TSET here, where it's all about eating healthy. You're the sponsor of this.
That's right. That's right. It's really important that folks see all the easy things they can do with fresh ingredients, and they can find those recipes on shapeyourfutureok.com if they didn't find it on your website. So
yeah.
Fantastic.
Speaking of easy, we're not even cooking today, right?
That's right. We're trying to keep you out of the very hot kitchen during the very hot summer, right? Okay, so we just have some fresh tomatoes. Great time to utilize tomatoes. They're plentiful, and I don't even like a tomato in January, right?
Right.
Okay. All right, so we have some fresh chopped tomatoes. We have some garlic because, of course, and we have some olive oil. You could use canola oil for this. Some red wine vinegar. You could use white wine vinegar. You could even use apple cider vinegar. We'd love to give you the option to do that.
A little bit of acid.
That's right. Pinch of pepper, little bit of salt. I mean, like a quarter of a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we have some fresh chopped basil. So you can see this basil here. You may have a lot of basil in your garden right now.
If you don't, I have some I'll share.
Ooh, okay.
It's volunteered everywhere.
Coming over?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just giving this a quick stir. And then the only part that actually does get cooked is the pasta. So we have some kind of stuck together corkscrew pasta. So ideally you would do this just off the boil, and you can see that it's still steaming. But this pasta, you want to cook it like maybe 1 minute less than the package directions, because this is going to really soak up all those good tomato juices.
So it's important that it's hot when it hits the cold ingredients.
Right, so you're not necessarily making like a cold pasta salad, but it is going to be a room temperature dish. And so ideally you would have also let the tomatoes and the garlic and the basil all like sit together for at least a couple of hours. And that way the juices can release from the tomatoes and it just tastes all delicious together. But then this is ready to go. So
Super.
you can
and you
do
called
this.
this something else. This is the pico.
The pico de gallo for the Italian
Yes.
world. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, and so you could add onion, make it a little more like pico de gallo. You could add some onion to this. Some olives would be a great addition.
Yeah.
You could do some nutritional yeast kind of to mimic some Parmesan cheese, but this is just super easy and very kid-friendly to make.
And easy, yes.
It looks delicious. All right, Chef Val, thank you very much. Julie, thank you for sponsoring the program, keeping us all healthy. If you want this recipe or any of Chef Val's other recipes, go to our website, kgrace.com.